editing your YouTube short thumbnail is only done on your mobile app. To do that, go to your mobile app, then on the YouTube icon, click on it. So you tap on it, then you move to this icon, click on it. Okay, then you tap on your icon here. Okay, when you get to your YouTube, down, move to shorts, go to shorts, and here you can edit your shorts. These three dots here, click on it. Okay, click on edit, then tap on this edit icon here. You can edit, scroll this, you can edit. See, it's changing. This is it. You can type if you want to type here. You can have it and click on done if you want it, or you cancel it back. Okay, tap here. Okay, that's all. So this is how to do it. You save, click on save, and it's done.
Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share.